One of the big advantages of going with Final Charge is the ability to find the product anywhere. Our drivers say they have a top-off situation. No matter which truck stop or fuel stop that they're at, they can find the product on the shelf.
We've made the decision to switch to Final Charge in all 1,450 of our trucks. The reason for that is basically cost savings over the life of that piece of equipment.
Final Charge does offer us a big advantage from a maintenance standpoint over conventional coolants. Conventional coolants you're having to flush and fill at the 300,000 mile interval, where the Final Charge product will go 1,000,000 miles.
We were on a program where we added nitrites every 25,000, and now we're not going to have to do that. So that's a huge money savings for us right there. That's just product savings. There's also labor savings.
We have approximately 1,400 trucks in our fleet, and each truck will come through the shop for preventive maintenance about 4 times a year. We'll spend 4 to 5 hours approximately on each truck. If you look at the number of times that we have the trucks come in the shop versus the cost savings, it could save us up to 1,000 hours per year.
When we're bringing in 1,400 trucks 4 times a year, that adds up to a lot of money.
The great thing about the 1,000,000-mile warranty is it gives us a good peace of mind. It allows me to relax saying that I don't have to touch this product.
They're basically maintenance free until we trade them